Hello, I'm Dr. Levi Jurich, owner of Jurich Dental. I want to take a moment today to talk to you about Smile Virtual, a virtual consulting option that I use at my practice. These days, we can do everything from the convenience of our phone, and now dentistry has caught up with the technology of today. With online virtual consults, a patient can now easily visit our website and click on the virtual consult link at the top of our page. They then simply upload a picture of their smile and type up a summary of what their concerns are regarding their smile or any other dental issues they may be experiencing. They then send it over to me and I can review their case and respond with a video message. This allows them and I to consult without the patient having to first come into the practice. This is an easy and time-efficient way for the business person, stay-at-home parent, or really anyone to see a dentist from the comfort of their home or office. It helps some to take that first step of getting the smile of their dreams. It also helps build a rapport between the patient and myself, which is great for those that deal with the anxiety of meeting a new doctor and even seeing a dentist to begin with. So why go virtual? Easier connection. Smile Virtual breaks down the barriers between dentists and patients by giving them the special opportunity to connect virtually for professional consultations. No offices and no appointments until it's time to do the work. Real results. Smile Virtual gives patients access to the highest quality treatment options based on recommendations specific to their smile and their dental health. Less wasted time. Smile Virtual allows dentists to pre-screen patients prior to a full in-office appointment and consultation. That means less chair time and more opportunities to improve patients' lives through their smiles. If you're interested in a free virtual consult, please visit our website today or give us a call with any questions you may have. Stay cool, San Antonio.